Hi. Are you guys getting bored in this lockdown and looking for something really interesting and planning to buzz out after this lockdown over? Yeah, I know. I also following this lockdown rule. So now allow me to share my Manali trip with you. So first, let me introduce myself. I am Nisha Tripathi and welcome to my channel Ashi Nisha Trip Vlog. In this vlog, I will share all my trip experience with you and give you the best review about how to plan a holiday with beautiful location under your budget. So let's not waste time anymore. Let's the journey begin. Hi, welcome to my channel Ashi Nisha Trip Vlog and welcome to Manali. So this is the video which I created to you with some of my pics and videos. So let's see views and beautiful scene of Manali. In this video I will share name and places of Manali, rivers, waterfall, food, hotel, transportation, shopping and many more. So let's pack our bag and go to journey. For this, first we should take a Volvo bus for going Manali. After reaching there, we can hire a cab for visiting in Manali. You can opt any size of cab by your choice and budget. After that, you should book a hotel. You can book your hotel by your choice or budget. After that, book a cab and go for Manali. Let's see the first place, Hidimba Devi Temple. Hidimba Devi Temple is a temple of Hidimbi Devi, who is wife of Bhim. The second place is Van Vihar, which is very nice and peaceful and beautiful place for everyone. There is swings, river and large park. The water of this river was very cold. After reaching there, we ate Maggi, which was very tasty. There you can do boating also, as you can see. So let's see some pics of Van Vihar. The scene of mountain and river was very beautiful. This is Himalayas peak. The second place is Solang Valley, which is famous for paragliding and skimming. The third place is Manikarn. It is a Gurudwara. We reached there by a cab. The route was little dangerous, but it is pretty beautiful. Manikarn is situated near the Parvati river. The flow of Parvati river was very fast. There is a hot water geyser also. River. Some people do river rafting, but we didn't it. In the way of Manikarn, there are some good temples and hotels also. We go in a hotel, in a restaurant, and we ate there some snacks like sandwich and tea, and sit here for some time for rest. We went Manali in month of June. That time weather
was pleasant, and river's water was very cold, and the geyser which I saw, its water was hot in that month and every month. So it is such a miracle. People were enjoying taking bath in this geyser. So let's see some pics of Manikar. There was two river, Vyas and Parvati, which has beautiful scenes of mountain around it. Has some waterfall also, Rosie and Jogni Falls. Now, next place was Rohtang Park, which is my favorite place, and it is one of India's highest and most dangerous road but most beautiful place of Manali in my point of view. There was scenes of clouds, snowfall which attract everyone. I also attracted. Mani- Rohtang Pass is at Leh Manali highway. It is high mountain pass on the eastern Pir Panjal range of Himalayas, around 51 km from Manali. So let's see some pics of Manali's Rohtang Pass. As you can see, the cloud scene was very beautiful, and it has very cold weather. We saw snow everywhere, so it's not easy to survive here for a long time. In this way, I advise you to take some food with you, because all roads we couldn't find much food stall. Only few shops were there. Only some people we found there who sell corn, Maggi and tea. So I found that journey was very long and difficult. But after that, when we reach there, we enjoy a lot. We enjoy in snowfall. But somewhere it is dangerous route, because somewhere roads are slippery because of melting snow. All of that. It was very beautiful place and my favorite place also. As you can see, the beauty of mountains and clouds. I love nature, and I think you also love nature. So let's see next place. The next place is Mall Road, which was the marketplace of Manali. So let's shopping. In Manali, some people do horse riding and some do ride on yak. Now, let's know about Manali's food and restaurants. Thukpa. Thukpa is a local dish of Manali and all hills area. You can find Indian thali and all type of food which you like, and many types of hotel and restaurants. There are some street food also. Corn and Maggie, easily available everywhere. Now let's see some videos of Manali which I shoot from my hotel's balcony. As you can see, it was very fascinating scene of mountains of Himalayas. I love this place. So it's good now. Hope you all enjoying it. It was morning scene from my balcony. So hope you all enjoying it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Aashi Nisha Trip Vlog. Thanks for watching. So thank you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe my channel Aashi Nisha Trip Vlog. Thanks for watching from